Hi, this is Celebrity's Place, and today I wanted to show you what I discovered in New Zealand regarding to natural remedies, health remedies. So healing through herbs, healing through food, healing through massage, and work with the body. And I just wanted to mention that this is available for everyone. So coming to New Zealand as a foreigner, you're able to join those activities and or find those remedies yourself. And you can also travel with it. You can use it during the travel, or you can just bring it home and just apply it later. So what we start first with is a tea I discovered here, and this tea is New Zealand native herb blended tea. I found it because I was looking for some remedies for breathing because I had some allergy, and I realized that there is this natural healing Maori practice called Rangoa, and they just use herbal remedies, which are like in a way of drinking tea, for example, mixing different types of herbs in order to bring relief through natural medicine, natural healing. So ingredients in this tea that is for whakaora, this is the name, which means restore. The name of the tea is OKU. So the ingredients are kawa, it's a type of plant, nettles, karamu, cinnamon, Ceylon, kumaraho, and manuka. This production is based in Hamilton. It's created in New Zealand. And so what did they say? They say that Restore presents an extraordinary fusion of New Zealand native herbs featuring kaka, manuka, kumaro, and karamu. These are harmonized with the warming spice of Ceylon cinnamon and the renowned nettle leaf, celebrated in herbal folklore for its exceptional qualities. It's a blend that creates a unique combination to support you to stay in balance and harmony. And this one I read, especially the kumaraho. It was recommended for breathing, for releasing breathing and breathing better. So I'll show you how it works, how it looks. So the tea comes in a bag like tea leaves, just like that. And it smells kind of minty. It's definitely not a smell that I experienced before. It's already very fresh. And when you do this tea, you feel like you're drinking a little bit of like a menthol tea. It definitely straight away, just after drinking, opens my throat, opens here, like I say, the breathing chakra, the second chakra, the blue chakra related to speech and related to self-expression. So definitely helps to kind of breathe better and just feel abundant with like air. So if you have anything related to maybe like a stress allergy, I would recommend this. This is why I started using it. And also, for example, before important conversations, just to kind of open here my throat, or before singing that I do. Also, we have a little kiwi here. Really nice design. What else? 100% recycled material. So nature flex compostable inner bag and preservative free. So just even like caring about how to composted. And then best use of indigenous ingredients, winner of Best of Natural Awards 2025. So it's just this winning certificate of winning the best of natural. So that would be the really really interesting like food related product I would like to talk to you about. So a portion of the profits of this product go to the restoration and planting of New Zealand's native forest and plants. Contains only herbs, no artificial flavors, sugar or sweetener. So buying this teas, you also support restoration and planting of New Zealand native forests and plants. New Zealand made with lots of certificates, as we see. It's easy to kind of travel with, and it definitely helps me to keep healthy while being here. So I bought it in the area of Mount Eden. They have a great selection of this herbal teas for different reasons. You can just decide what you need right now for breathing, or for digestion, or for calm, or for energizing. So you can just buy the one that you actually need right now. I bought it in March, and I still have quite a lot, and just needed some restoration that time. So that's the first product I wanted to show you. Made in New Zealand.